Did you know that you can spice up your type by writing on paths? Open Illustrator and make a path with line, path, brush or any other tool that can create paths. Select Type tool. Then you can choose your favorite font, size and style for it. Now just cover path you created, left click and write what's on your mind. Afterwards you can modify the path with Direct Selection tool by pressing A on your keyboard and the text will follow. So the next time you need to add some flavor to your text, remember to try writing on paths. Now you know. Liked it? Like it. Really liked it? Subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.